Building a PC on a budget sometimes can be challenging, but with the right component, you can achieve great performance without breaking the bank. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam, you are watching Negitech. In this video, we will talk about one of the best PC build that you can do under 70k for productivity. We have selected some of top-notch hardware for this build and we will talk about them one by one and we will show you how to get it from Amazon. This PC is perfect for productivity tasks, for example Microsoft Office, or if you want to do coding. You can also utilize this PC for content creation and general use. But with a few tweaks, for example addition of RTX 4060, you can turn this machine into decent gaming machine. With the help of Home, you can also perform AI ML and can significantly reduce your content creation rendering time. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see you are in my computer screen and let me type here INDSTOR and let's hit enter. So INDSTOR is a website that has handpicked PC parts and components that are best in its own category and thereby saving you to get lost in Amazon jungle. Now here what we can do is you can also do Google login and then you can also create your own wish list. Not only that, you can also search for PC components and can search for some of the best hardware available inside Amazon. Now in this video we will talk about this PC build under 70k, and not to worry guys, I can also provide you this direct link in the description of this video. Now let's start with our first component, which is processor. If we talk about Intel Core i5-13400, it comes with 13400 processor. It was released in January 2023. Although you feel that, oh, this is slightly outdated, but I would say that this is one of the best processors that you can get for the price we are paying. This processor belongs to Rapture Lake series and features 10 cores and 16 threads with a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and a boost up of 4.6 GHz. This makes it a strong performer for both gaming and productivity tasks, providing excellent value for price you pay. Now let's get back to INDSTOR and let's talk about the second component we have selected, which is this MSI Pro B760M-A motherboard. So if we talk about this motherboard, let me open it in Amazon. This comes with 4 slots of RAM and a very reliable power delivery with large heat spreader, which can easily handle this 13th generation Core i5 with ease. Here you can see it also comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And let's open this in MSI website. So let me actually open this board, and probably I think this is DDR4. And there we have it. Let's click on specification. So here we can see that it supports DDR4 frequency, comes with HDMI 2.1, which is, I would say, really nice to have because a lot of motherboards still comes with previous version of HDMI. Now if we talk about slots here, we are getting 2 PCIe into 16 slot, which we can see it here. It also comes with this M.2 sealed Frozzer, which is awesome as you do not need to buy a separate heatsink for your NVMe SSD. Now let's get back to specification. And then here we can see it also comes with 2 slots of NVMe SSD. And then here we can also see it also comes with 2 USB ports with a connection speed of 10 GB per second. If we talk about Wi-Fi, it comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. If we talk about audio capability, it comes with premium 7.1 channel high definition audio. And then here we can see the typical internal I/O. Overall, I would say it is really a great motherboard that can easily handle the power and the CPU that we have selected for this board. Now let's get back to INDSTOR again. And one good thing about INDSTOR is that you can also rate the product and can provide your own comment, which will be really helpful for other users as well. Now let me go back here. And now let's talk about our third component, which is memory. For that we have selected this Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB of DDR4 RAM. And there is a reason actually, we went for DDR4, not for DDR5. First is the cost, and second is the performance boost you get. So I would say still this memory is one of very best memory, although you will see that the frequency is not that high. But again, I would say it is not only the gigahertz that matter, there are other aspects as well. So here if you see the SPD latency and the timing of this RAM, which I would say is really good. And then here you can actually save a lot of money, not only with your memory but with your motherboard as well. Therefore choosing DDR4 memory actually going to give you similar performance at much lesser price. And if you really want to spend those money, you can actually upgrade your RAM from, let's say, 32GB to 64GB. Now let's talk about the storage here. Storage is crucial for fast and responsive system. For that we have chosen Western Digital WD Black SSD. And let's click here on view on Amazon. So here you can see that this drive going to cost you around 6,970. Although this is not the fastest, but in terms of reliability, I would say the rating of this drive is equal to any premium drive available. And really in terms of performance, I don't think so that there is that much of difference that you pay 3 or 4,000 rupees for a very minimal difference. Now let's talk about the next part here, which is our power supply. Now let's talk about our power supply. A reliable power supply is a must. An MSI MAG A650BN power supply at around 4,800 fits bill perfectly. With 650 watts of power, it provides ample headroom for our component, and it is also 80 plus bronze certified, ensuring efficiency and reliability, which is crucial for long-term use. This PSU is also powerful enough to support your future upgrade, including a dedicated graphics card. I would say up to 4060 Ti, you will not face any problem with this 650 watt of power supply. Now again, let me go back here and let's talk about the second last component in our list, which is this Cooler Master cabinet. To house our component, we have chosen the Cooler Master Master Box MB511 ARGB case. At around 4,000, this case offers excellent airflow and a sleek design to make your build stand out. Cooler Master is renowned for its high quality cases, and this one is no exception. Now let's talk about our last component here, which is our power backup. The APC back UPS BX1100C-IN is an excellent UPS that ensure your system stay powered during power outage and protect your component from power surge. It is a great addition to keep your build safe and secure. With these components, you can build a powerful and reliable PC under 70,000. All of these parts are available at Amazon.com that you can access through INDSTOR.com, where we have kept all handpicked PC parts, laptop, and accessories which provide value for money for the price you pay. So if you are ready to start your PC build, head over to INDSTOR and get started. And also do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Nigitech for more such tech content. And you can also ask me if you have got any questions in comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.